Is your Apple CarPlay dropping out constantly in your Honda HRV? Studies show that 80% of intermittent connection issues are caused by nothing more than a faulty cable. Let us walk through the diagnostic steps to restore your connection. Start by checking your hardware, cleaning the charging port, and confirming your phone software is up to date. If hardware isn't the issue, look into your infotainment settings or existing Bluetooth interference. Performing a clean pair by removing the device from both the car and the phone often clears persistent glitches. Most issues are solvable at home, but physical head unit failures may require professional diagnostic tools. As you can see, the vast majority of users regain full functionality just by swapping the cable. For advanced troubleshooting, verify that your console USB port is outputting consistent voltage. Keep these simple tools in your glove box to address connectivity issues on the fly. Remember, start with the basics before jumping to expensive repairs. I hope this helps you get back to your music and maps. Subscribe for more Honda troubleshooting.